Hi guys, this is Saksham,
This is Prateek.
and we are back from our Europe expedition. If you want to check out our videos, go to our channel and you will find our conversations in Hungary, Czech Republic, Poland, and now we are back at Erudite office in Greater Noida. And yeah, let's go. Let's kick out. Prateek wanted to discuss something today.
Yes, so I think since we're back from our awakening trip in Europe,
Definitely.
back to our home ground, I was thinking of the early days when we started and what kind of initial notion was. So I wanted to ask, what was or how did you deal with the initial negative energies that we used to face when we just started and the words that were around of two new kids on the block?
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Actually, there were a lot of sounds. So whenever you do something, there are a lot of sounds which surrounds you. And I remember very vividly that when I went and approached to a university, they told me that there is somebody, from our ex-colleagues who are, I don't know, they are jealous, they don't feel it, they feel that we are not capable or any young guy will not be able to do it. They were already sending out these kind of messages across to the same industry fellow colleague and the senior leaders that don't trust these guys, don't work with them, and they won't be able to do it. Our deals would be very less compensated in terms of monetary terms, and that's how we started. And like that's we shared as well that my first paycheck in Erudite was only 5,000 rupees of the contract we got, and that's where we built it upon. So I thought that initially, yes, it used to drain a lot of energy of mine. In the initial 1 year, I used to feel conscious about it, but over the period of time, I kind of conquered it. I said, people will talk. Our mothers used to say that, when elephants walk, the dogs bark. So I decided that people will say what they want to say because they are scared of step out of their comfort zones. They are scared to build something, and they don't believe that somebody with such a young experience can also do it. And when then we decided to, and we used to make like dream shots. What I mean by dream shots, we used to think one night, me and Pratik will sit over a couple of drinks, and I'll say, Pratik, what if we make this kind of deal? And then we would just send out emails on such enormous numbers, and then we would be so happy that it used to work out because there are people who will trust, and over the time we deliver. But I'm sure when you joined in, you also faced those negative energies from everywhere around. How did you deal with it?
I think building upon similar things that a lot of people at the time, of course, because we were new and people would start asking for reference, do we trust these guys? Especially when we were, we started out asking for money first. That okay, we need commitment from your side. It was already a bold step for people who were not used to it in that kind of an environment. And then once something started, I think at that point as well, after the maybe a year or so, even though we had sort of did a little bit, people who initially had bad energies or who used to say the same things that probably these guys won't be able to stay in the industry forever, then started sort of taking our that little success on their own names to say, oh, I was the one who guided them, or I was the one who taught them how to do this. But then eventually, when you, I mean, keep doing it, 100 people are going to say 100 things. But as long as you believe in yourself, and then eventually you find out probably those voices don't matter. Uh, and what you do has nothing to do with what people around you are going to perceive, as long as your customers start believing in you. And I think that was the one point that changed it for me, that all the bad energies always used to bring doubt that, oh, are they saying the truth? Maybe that is the truth. Maybe because we don't have experience, we are coming from a basic background, not having knowledge of the industry. But when our customers started believing in us, when the parents said, oh, I want to give my child's future in your hands because I trust you,
Yeah.
that is when it changed, that okay, these are the people who matter and not the ones who are saying the things about us.
So yeah, guys, if you are also in a similar journey, or someone who's in a similar journey, starting out or in the initial years of the business, do send out to them that it is okay. It is absolutely normal to do that. Share with your friends, share with your people who want to build a business, and spread positive energy, because we are all a community. We are all just trying to make our places around. So guys, till that time, it's Saksham,
This is Prateek.
and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Do make sure to hit like on the video, subscribe, comment, and log into www.matchmyuni.com.
And keep following the journey. We're gonna keep bringing new energy. Boom, boom.